Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how basically you can build out a responsive Instagram user interface clone using React.js. Basically a package is required for this. We have a pre-built package which allows you to build out these ready-made components, which is the profile component, which have this personal avatar pic here. We have this biography, person name, this is number of post, followers, following. This is a short little biography, and these are the random posts that are random pictures that are uploaded by a user. Similar to the main Instagram website here, you will see this is the same look and feel design of the interface here, and we will try to replicate this using React.js using a simple library which allows you to pre-build these components. You will see that the library name is React Instagram UI Kit. It's a very special library which allows you to include these components pre-built. You need not have to design it from scratch. All these components are pre-built, and basically you can edit the name here, edit the profile picture. Let me show you the code here. You will see all these components are pre-built. This grid, profile, photo, grid control bar, item, and basically you can change the photograph. If you refresh it, automatically a random image will be taken here. You will see that every time if I refresh the page, automatically a random image will be there. We are fetching these images from Pixum. So you will see every time if I refresh the page here, automatically all the images will be random here. So we will try to replicate this effect, guys. I will be showing you if you want to design Instagram kind of an application, you can use this library inside React.js. It's a very awesome package. If you could just go to npmjs.com and just search for this library, which is called as React Instagram UI Kit. This is basically the package name, guys, that we are using. You can see it's a very new library for weekly downloads. And I have given all the source code, guys, in the description of the video. So basically you can get all the source code in my blog post. So just go to the description of this video. So now I will be showing you how to design this, guys. First of all, we will just write the functional component, and here we will simply return hello world. So now if you refresh it, guys, you will see hello world will be there. So one by one we will be embedding the components. So it's very simple, guys. So let me just tell you how to do this process. So here we will simply here import one by one. So first of all, we will design the profile. So here inside this div section, we have the profile widget. So here we just need to first of all import the profile widget from React Instagram UI kit. So here we will just put this profile widget, guys, and here inside this profile widget it takes some options. So if you just put this profile widget out there, nothing will be this. You will see 0 post, 0 followers, 0 following. So here what we need to do, we need to pass some options to this component. So here we can simply pass a biography object. So there we can simply say YouTuber. This can be a string value, YouTuber, blogger, and software developer. So I can simply write this. So you can see that. And then basically we have the second one, which is the picture source. So here you can provide your picture, guys. So we can simply provide a random photograph of 200 by 300 width and height. So you can see that one by one we are designing it. This is the profile avatar pic here. You will see that. And then we have basically the number of followers. Username, you can pick here your own username. Let's suppose I pick here black caps. You can see that. So basically the designing is all Instagram here. All the fonts which are used here, all Instagram fonts are there. And then we can have our followers data. So this can be an array here, guys. So 31 followers and 30,000 followers and 55 following. You can see 31 post, 30,000 followers, 55 following. And then we can pass your full name, and full name you can say here John Williamson. You can see that. So this is your profile widget which is ready, guys. You will see this is the username you can put here. This is number of post followers following. And this is the full name that you can see here. And this is the description. So we have this profile widget which is ready here. You will see that. And now we just need to design this grid system to basically embed the images. So now we will just have a grid one. This will also get imported automatically. We can see grid, and inside this, if you refresh, nothing will happen. We just need to define another one which is grid control bar. This will also get imported. And inside this, it takes a grid control bar item. This will also get imported. And here you can define a item here. This will be active, so we can pass a is active. So what it will do here, it will simply here post here. You will see that. And here we can even define some more items as well here. This can be here tagged. You can see that. That's all. And then we can define the images, guys, that we need to upload. The user has uploaded. So we can just simply create an array here. Photos array. And here we can simply say here some photos. This can be 600 by 800. So we can repeat this. So we can change the sizes as well. So now we can simply loop through this. So we can simply have the map operator for each pic here. We can simply say here, we can have the image tag. Source will be pic. That's all. So now you can see that, guys, we are displaying the images. So what we can copy these sizes. So you can see that, guys. So you can see the sizing is not looking good. So for fixing this, we can simply surround this using grid structure. So what we can do is that, so this can be over right here, and here we can define the grid here again. So we can just surround this inside a photo element instead of image. So here we can have the photo here. So this can also be embedded here from here. You can see that this is an element here, and now you will see responsiveness coming here. I think, let me see, photo source. Okay, sorry. So now you can see that grid-like structure will be there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every time the photographs will be random here, you will see. So in this way, you can design basically Instagram UI clone guys in minutes using this awesome little React.js package, which allows you to embed, just create all these components of React.js in very advanced. So if you don't want to basically waste time in designing the interface of React or Instagram, you can use this package in React.js in order to automate the process. And you can see how less the code is. All the packages, all the user interface components are pre-built. This data can be coming from a database or API. So these photographs also, if the user upload. So you can connect this user interface with a Node.js Express backend or PHP, Django, Flask, anything. I will create a tutorial on how to create this Instagram clone using this package, guys, in the live upcoming tutorials live stream. And if you have any sort of doubt, you can ask in the comment section. I will definitely try to answer all the comments which are there. So, sir, I want to learn CSS practically. Which tutorial is best? I think various tutorials are there on YouTube. You can check out the channels. So specifically on my channel, CSS is not supported because I don't know CSS best. So I can't comment. But there are a lot of channels which are there which are good at designing. So you can look at those channels. And thank you very much.